Hi everyone, I hope you are well. Today I prepared these loaded potato skins for you. These potatoes are packed with flavor. I prepared them nacho style, so I'm serving guacamole, sour cream and pico de gallo with the potatoes. It's amazing, try it. It's a great party food or just Saturday night dinner. Thank you in advance for liking this video and subscribing to my channel, Cook for the Soul. So start by turning the oven on for 400°F, and I'm going to clean the skin of these russet potatoes. I have this natural fiber sponge that I use for cleaning the potatoes. So I'm gonna dry the potatoes with a kitchen roll, and I'm gonna place some baking paper on top of a tray. Now I'm gonna cut the potatoes in half and I will place it on the tray. I'll spread the olive oil with the salt. You can rub the olive oil at the bottom too. You don't need to use any extra, just use what you have. Put some pepper. Prick the potatoes with a fork, like 3 times each. And we're gonna put in the oven to bake. I think it's gonna take approximately 1 hour, but I'll keep an eye on it and I'll let you know how much time did I have it in there. And since I'm making the potatoes nacho style, I'm gonna prepare some guacamole and pico de gallo. I already posted both recipes on my channel, so I will not show you now how to make it again, but if you want to check it out, I will put a link at the end of this video. Now that I've prepared the guacamole and the pico de gallo, I'm gonna put it in the fridge and show you the next steps. Now I take 3 to 4 scallions and I slice them. So take a bigger bowl and put the scallions in the bowl, leaving just a few aside, just like that. Now take a serrano pepper. Gonna run the spoon like this to clean the inside. I'll slice the serrano pepper, add it in the bowl with the scallions. Now I'm going to grate cheddar cheese and add it to the bowl. So the oven went off after 45 minutes and the potatoes seem to be soft. The fork is going through very well. But I think they need another 10 minutes. Since they have this nice color already, I'm gonna turn the oven down to 350°F and put it in for another 10 minutes. So now I've had the potatoes baking for 55 minutes and they're ready. So I'm gonna put them on the board one by one and I'm just gonna take out the middle. Be very careful because the tray is hot, and for now keep the oven still on and put it in my bowl. I'll put the potato skin back onto the tray. You can also bake the potato as a whole, and then when it's soft you can cut it in half and get the potato inside out of it that way. Add all the potato in the mixture with the cheese and the scallions and let's mix it together. Also add a slice of butter to the mixture, and we're gonna need a little bit more salt and pepper. Taste the mixture now just to be sure that you have enough salt in there, and we're gonna put this back inside of the potato skins. Now put back into the oven and bake for additional 10 minutes. And this is it, my loaded potato skins nacho style. To finish it off, I'm just gonna sprinkle some of the fresh scallions and also a little bit of fresh cilantro. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.